Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing dal recipe. Wash 100 grams of Toor Dal with water 3 times. Then soak the dal in water overnight. In the morning, throw the water out and wash the dal 3 times with plain water. Then put the dal in the pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water reaches just above the dal or add water as required. Add 1 small potato chopped. Add half tomato chopped, half onion chopped, 1 and half Kashmiri chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt and mix well. Now cover the pressure cooker with the lid. Place the pressure cooker on medium flame and cook until one whistle comes. Heat little oil in a vessel. Add half teaspoon of hing. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 Kashmiri chili. Stir. Few curry leaves washed and chopped. Stir. Pour the dal from the pressure cooker into the vessel. Mix well. Add 2 green chilies slit. Soak little tamarind in water. Pour the tamarind juice into the vessel. Mix well. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. By the way, if you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Add few fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well. Once it boils, switch off the flame. Dal is now ready. It can be eaten with rice or with chapatis. Thanks for watching.